Hello everyone, welcome to iExamBee. This is the fourth video in the series. We are discussing important ESI questions for NABARD Grade A and Grade B exam. If you have not gone through the previous videos, please go through those. This is the 31st question. PM Swanidhi, a scheme to provide microcredit to street vendors, will be implemented by which of the following ministry? So earlier I asked you what is the full form of PM Swanidhi, who are the beneficiaries of this scheme, and these type of questions are asked in the exam. The correct answer to this is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This is not Minority Affairs, not Ministry of Finance. Under this scheme, microcredit of up to rupees 10,000 rupees in the form of the working capital loan at a very affordable rate is given. Microcredit is unsecured loan given to these people, and this is implemented by SIDBI under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The scheme is valid till March 2020. This may also be an exam question. So all this information, whenever you are doing these free mock test at iExamBee, you will also have an option to go to the detailed answer explanations. You understand beyond what is asked in the question. Global Innovation Index theme for 30th edition in 2020 will be. So question is asking theme, which is who will finance innovation. So this is the theme this time, Global Innovation Index. 33rd question is, according to the 69th edition of the Statistical Review World Energy 2020, which country holds the largest market in terms of increasing primary energy consumption in year 29? So this is not about the future market. Read it carefully, and the correct answer to this is China. India is the second major market. So again, these kind of information you have to read carefully in the exam. It may be India which is asked, which is the second one. So after China, it is India. Next question is, the first Indian company to sign climate pledge with Amazon and global optimism to become net zero carbon. You must be knowing that all corporate, big corporate especially, are planning to become zero carbon. They are setting different timelines for that. This is a global initiative. So which is first Indian company to sign that? Very interesting question. And for such interesting question, I recommend you to go for the complete course, because now you have more time, and not only you have more time, everybody has more time. So you can study well. You can beat the competition when you study with the help of videos, notes, and you discuss your doubts with the faculty in the live class. You want to see the demo? See at iexambee.com. The demo is absolutely free, and the correct answer to this is Infosys. It partnered with Amazon to become net zero by year 2040. So by 2040, its carbon footprint will become zero. And this is the first company to sign RE100, and it has reduced the per capita electricity consumption by 55% if you compare it to 2008. 35th question is, job portal launched by West Bengal Chief Minister Ms. Mamata Banerjee to help IT professionals who have lost their job in the COVID outbreak and return to the home state, return to West Bengal. What is the name of this job portal? This is called Karma Bhumi. So it is like in Bengali, so Hindi we will call it Karma Bhumi. It is Karma Bhumi is the name of the portal. Now next question is, how much loan is approved by World Bank for STARS project, STARS project? And do you know what is the full form of STARS? That also you have to remember. STARS stands for Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Result for States Program. 500 million is approved by World Bank to improve the quality and governance of school education across 6 states: Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, MP, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan. So these 6 states, 500 million. 37th question, the India UN Development Fund, with an ambitious agenda of promoting multilateralism and shared prosperity, was established in. Now don't say this is an old question, right? Because this fund is still active. So it was established in 2017. It is supported by Government of India and managed by United Nations Office for South Corporation. And 38th question, the FAO releases Forest Resource Assessment Report every 5 years. As per recent report, based on gained forest area between 2010 and 2020, what is the rank of India? Understand? Gained means the increase in the forest land, and this is good that India is also in that. So India's rank is third in this. The first 2 countries where the forest cover has increased. Number 1 is China, number 2 is Australia. India accounts for 2% of the total global forest area. This is also an important data. During this decade, 2010 to 2020, India accounted for 0.38% of the gain in the forest cover. 0.38% of the annual gain in the forest cover. That is 2,66,000 hectare every year forest gain. The ADB funded Magnet project approved to help farmers and boost fruits and vegetable product in which of the following state? Asian Development Bank funded project Magnet, so it is for Maharashtra. The project is 142.9 million, 70% led by Asian Development Bank for Maharashtra government. The new education policy aims for universalization from preschool to the secondary level with 100% gross enrollment ratio in school education by which year? So the year is asked here, and education policy is a landmark policy for reforming the education in India. You must go through the important points of the policy. The year is 2030 year. Gross enrollment ratio policy aims 100% by 2030, and in higher education policy aims 50% by 2035. So don't get confused. For higher education it is 50% aim by 35, but here the question asks for the school education. At iExamB we have a team of expert faculty for different subjects. Utilize your precious time to make your career. Do you want to know more? You can reach to us at 9205524028. You can SMS, WhatsApp or call. And only at iExamB you get free mock test for all the exam. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Remember, exam hai to iExamB hai.